Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to exploring the new Numberblocks from 200 to 299 part 7, which I call 219 to 221. Let's go to the first character. For the first character we're going to build is the Numberblock 219. First we build 200 peach blocks into 20 by 10 rectangle formation. Like this. So we got two lots of 100s. Two lots of 100s are 200, and then we attach 10 more white blocks. Oh my god, like that. 10 more white blocks to put it on. Stick it on there. So we got 210, and then we attach 9 light gray blocks more to make 219, like this. Alright, let's attach the face sticker all together. First we put her eyes. Actually she's not a super rectangle, but the meaningful numbers which is not a prime number should have the rectangle eyes to represent that they are not in the prime numbers. Anyways, 219. Oh my gosh. Well, 219 is not a prime number. Why? Because she can divide it by 3. If you divide it by 3, you got 3 lots of 73s. Uh-oh. Well, 3 lots of 73s are 219. Well, 73 is the 21st member of the prank club, so which means she is the number explorer. Well, we also created her crown to represent that 219 is made out of 3 lots of 73s, and also we got an explorer hat. This is to represent that she splits into 3 lots of 73s, and 73 is the number explorer because 73 is the 21st member of the prank club. And we also got a star times 3 to represent that this is the Numberblock 73 signature. And we also got 3/5 times of the year. Well, 1 year has 365 days, which is made out of 5 lots of 73s. So 219 is 3 lots of 73s. There are only 2/5 more to get 1 year. I don't make the calendar her calendar accessory because I don't want to waste too much color. Anyways, don't forget her number link. Where should I put? Hey, this one looks better. Here is our Numberblock 219, which is made out of 3 lots of 73s. Right. For the next character that we're going to build today is our Numberblock. What is the 22nd member of the Heroes with Zero Club? That's it. It's 220. 220 first. We build 200 peach blocks into 20 by 10 rectangle formation. We build 2 lots of 10 by 10 square, which is 2 lots of 100s. Because 10 lots of 10s are 100. So 100 lots of 2s or 2 lots of 100s are 200. And then we attach it like this. Well, I don't have peach blocks anymore. No more peach blocks, so I use the yellow blocks instead. So I'm so sorry that I don't buy the Heroes with Zeros. But later I will buy it for you guys, and don't worry. Well, first we put like this. And then there, we got it. Alright, I don't have any peach blocks, so I use the yellow blocks instead. Sorry guys. Alright, we got our number block 220. And the number block 220 has the face just like number block 22, but bigger than ones. And his eyes are rectangles because he can make so many rectangles. One for the left eye is blue, and then one for the right eye is red. Just like number block 22, because 220 is made out of 10 lots of 22s. And we also created the eyebrows, because the numbers which are bigger should have eyebrows to represent the numbers which are not the prime number. All the prime numbers and unprime numbers should have eyebrow, because the bigger number should have eyebrow to make it more attractive. Well, 220 has blue eyes, has one blue eye at the left and one red eye at the right, and bigger than each other, and that's because he's made out of 20 lots of 11s or 10 lots of 22s. And here is pink mouth to represent the 22's mouth. 22's mouth is also pink. Alright, we had popped the Numberblocks 220. Ta-da! There's our number block 220. But the accuracy is only 90%. And 10% is the wrong one, because there are 20 light yellow blocks, because I don't have peach blocks more. So I use the yellow blocks instead. Sorry! Again. And here's our finished number block 220. Last character that we're going to build today is 221. Number block 221 has 200 like peach blocks, 20 peach blocks, but I use the white blocks instead, and the one red block at the top. Well, 221 also made out of 13 lots of 17s, which is the unlucky painter. Well, the numbers which can be divided by 13 should have a clover to represent the unlucky numbers, and should have the clover to wish them to have a good luck soon. And then the 17s, you should have a painter's hat to represent the painters. Alright, here are the two number 221. Let's attach the face stickers and accessories. We have 221 has red eyes, eyebrows, and a mouth. This to represent the one-enders. Wow, he's an unlucky painter. Well, what should I put? Should I put like this? Oh yes, I think I should put like this, because to represent the unlucky number. Alright, let's put all the splats. Don't confuse that these reds are blood. This is not a blood. This is the paint splat. Because he's too messy sometimes, the numbers which can be divided by 17s always has the paint splats. Because sometimes so clumsy. And also we got a clover times 17 to one clover is 113. So 7 times 17 is 17 lots of 13s are 221. And there's also 221 has a painter's hat, just like that. And don't forget the number link. Here is our number block 221, which is 17 lots of 13s. And this is all of the characters that we built from 219 to 221. Which character do you like the most? 219, 220, or 221? Please leave the comments. Well, make sure to subscribe to see my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye!